Hello kids, let's start the last topic of our chapter 2, Food and Health, part 5. And the topics are prevention of communicable diseases, methods of prevention, pasteurization and vaccination. In our previous videos, we have learned about communicable and non-communicable diseases. And now the topic is prevention of communicable diseases. So the articles like clothes, combs, towels and toys used by patients, including the linen and clothing, must be disinfected or boiled to kill the germs. The floors and walls of the room must be sprayed with a disinfectant. All the cases of infectious diseases must be reported to the civic authorities so that precautions can be taken to prevent their spread in the area. And the children suffering from any communicable disease should stay away from school till they are fully recovered. The destruction of mosquitoes and their breeding grounds is the best solution for protection from these dreadful diseases. And you know where the mosquitoes they grow in the stagnant water. Now some methods for prevention. Houses should be airy and open. Fresh air and sunlight are natural disinfectants. Mattresses, linen and clothes should be exposed to sunlight from time to time. Because your mattresses, they carry sweat, dirt, dust, bacteria and some stains. And when they are exposed to the sunlight, all these things will be either dried off or they kill all the bacteria which are present in your bed. Toilets and bathrooms must be cleaned and disinfected regularly. Kids, when we are talking about water, a supply of clean and germ-free water for drinking and cooking is essential for health. And if we are not getting it, then impure water should be boiled for about 10 to 15 minutes and then stored in clean and covered containers. Water filters can also be used for purifying water. Chlorination is a way of purifying huge quantities of drinking water. Do you know mosquitoes lay eggs in the standing water? So to destroy mosquito larvae, the surface of water in tanks and ponds must be sprayed with oil. Use a mosquito net or mosquito repellent at night. And kids, just find it out, is there any stagnant water puddles at your home or standing water in coolers? If it is there, please remove it and clean that article or clean that particular thing. Another topic is pasteurization. And what is pasteurization? It is a process in which heating of milk at a high temperature and quickly cooling it to kill harmful germs. Vaccination is the next topic. What is vaccination? The act of injecting vaccines to protect against a disease. And it is a way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against certain diseases. There are vaccines available for diseases like diphtheria, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, polio, measles, mumps, meningitis and hepatitis. Have you heard about pulse polio? Pulse polio is an immunization campaign established by the Government of India in 1994 to eradicate polio by vaccinating. And from time to time, all children under the age of 5 are given oral polio drops against polio virus. And this campaign proved to be successful and the incidence of polio in India has decreased dramatically. So kids, we must get ourselves vaccinated as a protection against these diseases. There are other national programs to eradicate communicable diseases also. And if we take care of ourselves and our surroundings, we can stay healthy. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Bye bye kids.